Hi guys, I'm JD here at Guaranty RV. Today we're looking at a 221 RB Sundance. It is a 2020 version. We're going to start on the outside and move our way inside. We are going to have a power front jack, two 5-gallon propane tanks, and then 2 batteries right behind that. You're going to get a nice front cap with LED lights, and then you're going to get a nice kind of little plate. Onto this side, we're going to have a nice pass-through. And you can see all the aluminum studs and then the LEDs down through there. Moving on to the side, we're going to get a big awning with 2 outdoor marine grade speakers. Going to get a nice handy grab handle. And then onto the back, we are going to get basically a pre-wired for a backup camera, a nice spare tire, and then onto this far side, we're going to get the drain port. And then we're going to get the main city water connections and plugs, the satellite cable hookups, the main power supply, and then further on up, you are going to get a solar panel plug-in. Onto the inside, we are going to get most of the storage in the far back, and it goes pretty deep. And then into the bathroom, you are going to get some hooks for your clothing, decent elbow space for the bathroom and shower. You're going to get an 8 cubic fridge, a nice size freezer. You're going to have a lip so your stuff doesn't fall out. A good size countertop all the way down, so if you like to cook, you got a ton of space to do so. A good size sink, do all the dishes. A dinette that drops down into a bed. You do have storage on both sides of the dinette. You might notice you don't have any heat vents in the floor. They're all going to be on the side. So if you are kind of sweeping and cleaning, it's not going straight down, makes it easy. You are going to get a little more storage underneath the bed on the inside. You're going to get USB plug-ins up top. So if you have your cell phones, you can charge them. A little more storage off to the sides, and then also plugins off to the sides of the beds on both sides. If we do have any questions on it, please give me a call at 541-954-4683.